Hey, this is Erica with WTI. My husband and I recently moved into a new house, and we've been using the Huepar cross-line laser level for all of our decorating needs. We have a lot of pictures to hang up, and this has been amazing in making sure that everything is straight and looking good in our house. This is especially handy if you have multiple pictures in a row that you want to hang up. It has the ability to attach to a tripod, or it has a magnetic attachment as well. So it's really handy and versatile. It offers a self-leveling feature, which will indicate when it is not level by a blinking light, or you can switch it to a manual leveling mode in order to get proper angles. All you need is 2 AA batteries and you're good to go. It's very light and compact, so it's easy to store when you're done with it. This has been such a handy little tool for us in our house. We love using it. We use it all the time for hanging up our pictures and any other construction projects around the house that we have where we need to make sure things are level. We really like using it, and I think that you will too, and that's my point of view.